When we purchased Garrett, there were 4 shops in Chicago. We now have 11, and we have almost 50 around the world. Our fan favorite is the Garrett mix, which was developed by one of our fans. They started asking for a mix of our caramel crisp and our cheese corn, which are 2 of our signature recipes. And then we started developing a shake so that when everybody had a bite, they had a little bit of the savory cheese corn and the delicious creme brulee finished caramel crisp. The recipe is secret. I can't share that with you, but we maintain the exact same recipe that the Garrett family bestowed upon us, and it's made the exact same way. And we have Copper Kettles in every shop, and we're blending 7 ingredients that you could find in your own kitchen into our caramel crisp every day. We really love the fact that Garrett is a Chicago tradition, and that's been our mantra as we've grown the business as well, is we want to bring a Chicago tradition around the world, because most people put it on their top 10 list of things to do. Oh, I need to get deep dish pizza, I need to see the bean, and I need some Garrett popcorn, and we're happy to be a part of that mix.